Good morning guys. So I'm moving houses today. I'm so freaking excited. This is what is left of my room. Slowly getting there. Hey guys, so on the way to the house now. We packed up pretty much a lot of things. God. Right guys, made it to the house. Lost my parents on the way due to traffic. But they're literally like not that far behind. I think they're like a minute or so. But yeah, made it to the house. Let's get unpacking. Oh. Vlog update. It's about 4:30 p.m. We've moved everything into my new place and now I'm back at my old place. Just taking a moment because I'm exhausted, super tired, and it's super hot as well. And I'm pretty sure I'm like, yep, I'm burnt. Great. So yeah, everything's out of my room. Just gotta clean now and then pretty much done with this place. It's actually such a big room. I'm leaving that carpet here, but I gotta like vacuum and clean the carpet first. Probably doesn't look that big on camera, but it's crazy big. This place actually holds so many memories. I was here for 2 years. But yeah, I'm excited to start my new chapter. How cheesy. My new place is much more modern and fresh feeling, so I'm excited. Anyways, I better get back to cleaning up. I'll show you guys a little bit of my new place when I go back home. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning before it is literally pitch black, so bye. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I'm in my new room, my new house. I'm so excited. I have so much freaking unpacking to do. It's ridiculous, like. But yes, I am loving it. Like, I literally feel like anywhere I vlog in my room is like bright. Like, I'm literally like sitting in the darkest spot in my room and it's like so bright. Like, for any YouTuber ever, that is like goals. Tell me that's not goals. This is an overview of my very messy room. Guys, I even have my own balcony. Like, how freaking cool is that? Also, I apologize for not vlogging that much yesterday. I was so freaking stressed. And I didn't hire movers, so me and my mum and dad were pretty much moving everything by ourselves. And yeah, I'm so sore right now. And yeah, I call these when you can't afford movers bruises. They're all bruises from yesterday. I think I got one on my arm too, but you can't really see it. But it really hurts. I've literally just spent all day unpacking. Still haven't finished yet. Sorry this was such a short vlog guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more videos from me. So guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you would like me to do like a house tour or a room tour. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.